Madness for Galaxy's Edge.
Where's the marketplace?
Madness for Galaxy's Edge.
Red light, green light.
Woo-hoo. You ready, Jacob?
Yep.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Stand by. They keep checking the wrist.
My sisters.
And let us in. Here we go.
We're about to get in, guys. This is so sick.
Jacob's Face DX. Did you make it inside?
Yep. We're almost in.
And today is June 1st. You didn't make it on the 31st, but you made it on the 1st. Woo-hoo!
Just Chris. Ready to take it? I mean, I don't know how the puzzle people work because like there's something that.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Right side travelers, right
You will not kill those cute droids. The droids are adorable.
Hello. We are officially in Galaxy's Edge. Woohoo!
To the galaxy. Let's go make those droids and lightsabers.
Where's my buddy Darth Vader? Vader, where are you at?
Stop.
Lightsaber?
Oh, that's a different red hat.
Your credentials out.
Lightsaber? Scrap metal?
Just a moment. Okay, so we have lots of scrap metal here. We have Peace and Justice. If you look at the next one, we have Protection and Defense, more of that armor. We have Power and Control, for those seeking power and control. And then we have Elemental Nature, with more like Rylark Wood, Rainforest Tea, things like that.
What are you gonna get?
Well, is there an option that you can like take apart from elements?
No, it's just
No, it's just a pre-scrapped one. Look.
So this is like the elemental, so these would be the pieces that you'll be able to build it from.
Oh.
Yeah.
So which one?
Your options.
More like a chrome look.
From.
Right?
Look at
More
us
like
showing it.
defense.
Ooh, I like that one.
And then we have your power. More like that darker and red.
Which one do you want?
Could I look at
What was that one for?
This is
Protection
for the
and
protection defense.
Protect and defense.
Protect and defense?
All right, it's right this way. All right, so there's two here.
So now we got a pin. I just said protection and defense.
So that's gonna be your saber, right?
Yeah, that's gonna be my saber. And we got this thing to show them, and this thing.
Let me see. What does that say?
Anyways, heads up, guys. Each lightsaber here is $2.15. I think that
Buying some scraps, huh?
you think at first, oh yeah, it's gonna just be $2.15. No, $200 and $250.
Oh no, the stormtroopers are out again.
I'm not gonna.
This is a.
Let me see your pin.
It looks like Novacore.
Oh, that's a
It
cool one
does.
too.
Looks like Guardian.
I'm gonna put on my thing.
So, what do you think of Star Wars Land right now? Galaxy's Edge.
Well, we'll tell you if it was worth it. So we can help you make your decisions here at Galaxy's Edge.
Or a lightsaber.
Card, Jacob. No lightsaber for you.
We're going, we're going. I got you, I got you. Whoa, it looks so cool.
Oh my goodness, how cool! It smells good in here.
I'll have you right now. Station.
Yeah.
One builder.
Builder, yeah.
Welcome, builders. Welcome to the workshop. Please, let me apologize for getting you in here and rushing you through, but you see, we have been a secret for so long, and we want to preserve that secret for years to come. And so we have to be very careful. Now, I know this might all look like just clutter, but to us, it's everything. Let me introduce Adam. Kelly, I am Josie, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for war-torn planets, abandoned outposts, and forgotten ancient temples. For all of these relics, and if the First Order were to come in, our hope is that they would believe that this is all bits and pieces of junk. But we know these relics are rich in history. And as you might see outside, we are in troubled times. But we've all heard the legend of Luke Skywalker. And now we have a new Jedi. What's her name?
Rey.
Yes, Rey, our spark of hope. And like them, I believe you builders have also heard the call, because you're all here to build this, the lightsaber. They say to build one is a work of art. It is beautiful, mysterious, and personal. It has been held by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest enemies. And it's what connects the builders to the Force. It all starts with one thing. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. The color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. Now, there are several colors out there in the galaxy, but we have gathered 4 for you today. And we'd like to begin with blue. The blue Kyber crystal. It has once been wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. And green. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Master Yoda himself, Luke Skywalker. And violet. Oh, it is rare and beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. Red, the crystal of power. It has been wielded by Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But builders, enough of their stories. It is time for you to start your story. So, builders, if you would, please close your eyes. Everyone, close your eyes. Now hold on to that. And builders, when you are ready, please use its energy and magnify it. Now we are putting in front of you the choices that you made earlier. And then in a moment, we will go through the trace again, okay? These will be some of the parts that you get to choose from to make your lightsaber.
Feel this.
Okay, if you start to your left, your chassis, you'll see next your grips, and then you'll see an emitter or 2 to choose from. In 3, 4, you have 2 pummel caps, and then 2 activation trays or plates to choose from. Now, builders, if you're ready, are you ready?
Yeah.
Then let's build. Okay,
All right,
this is the first thing
first we're going to start off with our chassis. We're going to want these ridges facing up towards the ceiling. And we're going to insert our kyber crystal into our chassis. On the top, it's more springy. You'll want to push your kyber crystal, the tip of it, up into that springy part, and then push the bottom down. It can be a little tricky, so if you need help, don't be afraid to ask. And you'll know when you get it because it'll light up inside.
It will also light up. And you'll be able to lightly turn it around and slide the tuber with your fingertips. And then you can push it.
No, you said you push it up or something.
We're going to get our
Pressure the knob with one hand on one end. You pull the spinner.
There you go.
This one. Wait, down.
Now it looks like we're ready to choose our activation plates. So on the inside of your activation plate, there's going to be either red or blue square.
That looks cool.
You want to match up that red or blue square with the red or blue square that's on your chassis. And it'll just snap into place.
Okay, it's like roaming.
So like, what do I do?
Once you secure is on.
Did you do the next part that he
And
said?
once you have your activation plates in place, you'll just choose any of those.
Okay, you're behind. Catch up.
Which one? Which one is it? Which activation one?
Ask him. Ask him.
Which one is?
Yes.
Is this one the activation?
Yeah, that's
Oh,
on your
well, he's
activation.
missing, I think, something else before that.
Just, oh no, we have
Wait. Hold on. He's showing you. Hold on.
So on the inside, there's going to be a blue or red square. You want to match that up with the blue or red square that's on your chassis. You see that? And then they just snap into place.
That's the one you want? Great. Oh,
Actually, before we do that, just
Hold on.
you want to make sure the kyber crystal's secure. We don't want that coming undone while you activate your lightsaber.
So you said that's not so color dependent? It's not in place.
there you go. And then now that one, like he showed you.
In place, okay? Colors now.
And then just make sure if that's the one you want to screw it on. And then these two, or the other, so go on the top. And the palms go on the bottom.
He could use those too, he said.
It's between these four. Pick two, and then one goes on top and one goes on bottom.
So,
So then
don't do that.
On your chassis.
Right side.
I'm getting you, don't.
That is going to be your activation stuff. And that's what
That's what you want, right? Okay, now we'll try to
Pick the one you really want. Look at them all.
Don't just do random.
Yeah, just look at them all.
Oh, one of these is for the top, where the
Yes, you want that
actual saber thing's gonna come out, and then one of these are for the bottom.
Okay, so one of these is for the top.
Oh, this one. That one's
That's a good one.
Okay, good.
Let's screw it up.
right. The other way.
You know, because I did the other one.
Okay, now the bottom one.
Which one do you want for the bottom?
That looks like pretty cool saber so far.
Is this supposed to be like aligned, or is it good like this?
So if you mess with it enough at your home in your own workshop, eventually you can get everything to line up correctly. You just gotta unscrew it and screw it back together.
For the bottom, yeah. That one's on top.
Whichever one you want. It's yours.
No, that's the top.
That one's cool. I like that one. Good job. There it is. You can check it.
Make sure everything's tight.
Right, everything seems to be working. Yeah, this is gonna be your activation switch for when the time comes, okay? Right there. So it just slides up like that.
When they tell you.
Whoa.
Great work. You're welcome.
And we've been practicing for how long now, Kelly? Days? Yeah. So we're really practice. Yes, we've been very practiced. You guys have been.
Last time you didn't see it like that.
Doing, any accidents today?
Not yet, we'll see.
There you go. I like his optimism. Yeah. And I don't know, we've got some good candle holder areas that we've made, so I think it's we call it decoration. We don't call it accidents around here. Now, is that ready? Everybody sounds ready? Okay, so now the next step we're going to
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, the Force must be strong in here. Now, builders, it is time to bond between the builder and your saber. So, in a moment, I'm going to ask you to step forward. Put your hands on your hilt, and we'll activate. But we want to do this together, please. So, builders, if you are ready, step forward. Put your hand on your hilt.
Look, I'm getting it. I'm getting it.
Activate. Raise your lightsaber.
Oh,
You can play your
this looks
lightsaber like the
epic.
Jedi and Sith who's coming for you. And like that, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please, builders, deactivate.
It's pretty cool. I love it.
Complete your lightsaber first. Now, your destiny is sealed. Oh, may the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. You have built lightsabers that are as unique and extraordinary as you are. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. Your lightsaber, please. We are pleased to present to you the saber sheath as you depart.
Yes.
Now, our time together has come to an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's time to make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, someday we might be telling your stories. To the spire!
Woo!
Go ahead, guys. We don't know. One bag. You guys think it was worth it for the money? Yeah.
Not at all. Yes, it really was. I thought it was cool.